Hi everyone, welcome. Today, I'll show you how to use our wedding guest list and seating planner. I'll be demonstrating in Google Sheets, but you can replicate every step in Excel. You'll learn how to manage RSVPs, mails, tables, and invitations easily. If you don't have the template yet, it's available on my Etsy shop, link in the description. And if not, no worries. I hope you'll still find this walkthrough useful and easy to follow. After purchase, you'll receive an email from Etsy with two files, a downloadable Excel file and a PDF. The PDF will look something like this and contains a Google Sheets link. When you click it, you'll be asked if you'd like to make a copy. Just click and your planner will open in your account. This sheet handles up to 500 invites. For each row, enter your guest name and the number of people in their group. This number includes the main guest. For example, one guest equals 1, a guest plus 1 equals 2, and so on. This helps group families and friends under one invite. Next, choose the guest category like bride's family, groom's family, etc. You can also track the save the date and wedding invites. The default status is not sent, so you can update it as you send them out. For RSVPs, you have 4 options: not sent, attending, not attending, and no response. If you select attending, the next column lets you enter how many guests from that group are attending. This way, the sheet automatically calculates any differences between the invited and the attending guests. For example, if you have added 5 guests as invited in a group and 3 are attending, a total of 3 guests will be added to your final guest count. Next is accommodation. With options like local, driving in, hotel, resort, this drop-down can be customized. You can also track gifts received with a simple checkbox. Then add any dietary restrictions for each group and the number of people with specific needs. For menu options, you can fully customize your meals. Enter how many people in a group choose each meal. For example, in a group of 5, if 2 choose beef, 2 choose fish, and 1 chooses vegetarian, you can choose to log it that way. Finally, fill in the contact info, phone, email, and postal address. This makes it easy whether you're sending invites by mail, email, or even text. At the top, you'll see summary tables. Some cells will show a warning before you can edit them. The green tables show invite status, total invites, sent, not sent, responses received, and pending. The pink tables show guest counts, total guest counts across all invites, attending, not responded, and invites pending. For example, if I add Jane Dawson with 5 invited and 3 attending guests, the pink attending and not attending tables update automatically to reflect totals. There are also 3 other summary tables for meals, dietary restrictions, and accommodations. These are editable. Any changes you make to your options or the main table below, make sure to edit formulas accordingly. Finally, just add values and the totals adjust automatically. There are also 4 pie charts that give you a quick visual breakdown. You can instantly see pending invites, unanswered RSVPs, and track your save the dates and wedding invites. It's a simple way to spot what needs follow-up. Next is your seating arrangement sheet. We have included 32 tables, but you can also set as many seats per table as you like. The bride and groom are already entered at the wedding table. Confirmed guests are auto-populated in the confirmed and not seated section. This section is not editable. From here, you can copy them into your tables, choosing to keep groups together or split them. At the top, you'll see 4 summary tables: total seats, confirmed guests, occupied seats, and waiting to be seated. These are pre-populated and will show a warning upon editing. Each table also shows a seat limit. For example, if the wedding table is set to 6 and you add 7 guests, you'll see a warning that you've gone over capacity. The third sheet is called All Seated. This one just contains formulas to make everything else work. It's fully locked, so you don't have to worry about it. And that's it. With the guest list and seating planner, you can manage RSVPs, meals, tables, and invites all in one place. You'll save time, stay organized, and enjoy planning even more. You can grab your own copy from my Etsy shop. The link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more wedding planning tips.